subscribe to Eckovation, and press the bell icon to watch the latest technology videos first.
Welcome back guys to this fantastic tutorial presented to you by Eckovation. So in the previous videos we have been developing our Dapp and we have been successfully able to do that using our local web server, local web host, okay, the hosting server, and we had our local Ethereum blockchain. We are not even connected to the main Ethereum chain. So let's get connected to the Ethereum test chains as well as the main chain. You can use the main chain the same way in which I am going to develop it in the test network, which is the Ropsten network. So for that, I hope you have created a folder and stored your HTML file in that folder. You don't need the Solidity code here, and Node.js should be installed as mentioned before. After that, you have to open your command prompt. So cd documents, cd tutorial, and npm init. So I hope you have installed your Node.js. Just press enter. You don't need anything else. Let's keep life as easy as possible. And in our scripts we can add dependencies as needed. So we will add our dependencies here. That is going to be a light server. So dev light server. This is basically going to be a server so that we can run on a test network. You can check this light server npm. You can directly install with the node package manager as well. That serves a web app. Or you can install it directly by adding it here. So now let's run our server, but before that just don't forget to do npm install. So it will install all the dependencies. And now we are going to npm run the server, run dev. So I'll just name my file as index. I'll name this file as index. For that I'll have to close my file. So here I have been able to connect it to the node server. The moment I click submit, as you can see, it is asking for a transaction. Okay, no conversion into US dollar is not available for now. So you can increase the gas price if you want faster transactions, and then confirm. This is where you are going to be charged real ether as computational cost, and it is a success. You can check the status of the transaction as well. Success meaning it is not yet mined, but the transaction execution is successful. So you can check the status of the transaction and it is success. As you can see, got 3 block confirmations as well. So if you refresh, okay, I'm refreshing, it's not coming. The reason is I didn't deploy it to the Ropsten network, and I didn't deploy a smart contract to the Ropsten network. This is a smart contract address, and this address is not available on the Ropsten network. This is the Ropsten Etherscan, and if you check, this smart contract is not available. So first I need to deploy this smart contract on Ropsten network, and to do that I'll use Remix. injected Web3, and I'll deploy it to the Ropsten test network. Since I have lost of Ether, I'll use the fastest way to do it. You can see the transaction confirmations here. So this is the contract address which is available on the Ropsten network. And now I'll use this contract address. This is not my file, I'm sorry for that. This is the file. So here I'll put my contract address. And now let's see, should work. My new instructor, age 55. Confirm. The transaction execution is successful. The transaction is confirmed. So as you can see, now I am able to read the data from the blockchain. Previously, I was not able to read the data. I was only able to look at the data. So reading is not a complicated procedure. Reading is an easy procedure. Reading from the blockchain is not difficult. This is what Microsoft is doing right now. It is creating a platform called IOM, where it is storing all the digital identities on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so the storage is not done directly, but they are creating a layer 2 blockchain over the Bitcoin blockchain, and they'll just store the hash of all the data in the Bitcoin blockchain. So later, if you wish to retrieve data and verify anyone's ID, you can do it with the help of a public blockchain. The same thing you can do for the mainnet, but obviously you'll have to deploy your smart contract on the mainnet. Then only you'll be able to do it. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial building our Dapp. This is our complete decentralized application. This application is not hosted on any centralized server. It is completely decentralized, hosted on multiple nodes, which is not controlled by anyone. No one can make changes to my application. No one can make changes to my code. This code has been deployed across multiple servers. When I say this code, I mean the Solidity code. It's not the HTML code. HTML code is just with me. It's on my server. But the Solidity code, not even I can change this code anymore. If I wish to change it, if I make any changes here, I'll have to redeploy my smart contract. I cannot use the same smart contract because the address has already been defined. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next time, guys. Bye.